to activate Halifax debit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download your Halifax credit card. So typically you don't need to activate your debit card before using it because the debit card are usually activated by the bank itself. However, if your card has the contactless facility, you would need to use the card with the PIN first, which would then allow you to use the contactless facility on the card. And even after that, if you won't be able to use your debit card and you feel like you need to activate your card, so then just go to the official website of halifax.co.uk, and after that just click on the menu icon, and here just scroll down and click on Help Center, and here just scroll down and you will see these two options: way to bank with us and get in touch. So you can either get in touch with the Halifax banking via phone, or you can also generate an automatic service via voice ID, or you can access your signed video service. So you can opt for any of them and ask the customer executive that you won't be able to activate your debit card, and they will be able to help you regarding the same. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.